So to make a grass, first of all we will go to preferences and search here plane and enable this import images as planes. This will be very helpful. And then we will go to import as planes. Just and we will select the grass image. I will put the link in the description. So we will select the foliage color image and we will go to the render tab, and as you can see we have a grass image over here. We have different kinds of strands. Whatever you like we can make it. So in edit mode I will add an edge loop just over here, just here, and I will add another edge loop at the top so that my grass is covered, and one final edge loop over here. Then I'll go to face mode and delete rest of the faces, and I'll select this faces, click on L and drag it over here so that it will be on origin. So we have a grass strand over here. We will make it look more good by adding a mix shader into the principal BDSF and a transparent shader so that light can pass through it. And after that we will add the opacity JPEG and put it in the factor. So as you can see the background of the grass is gone now, and after that we will just add normal roughness and normal images. Select this non-color and put it in roughness, and same we will do for normal. Add a normal mapping and connect it to normal. So the normal value is very much, so I will decrease the volume to 0.5 or 0.4. Yes, 0.4 looks good. So this is a good looking grass, but we are not done yet. I will add another mix shader. So I'll put it aside here. I will add another mix shader and add translucent shader so that light can pass through it, as we can see. So we have a good looking grass strand, but it's very flat. So we will add some edge loops to it, and we will try to bend it and make it more realistic. So for that I will select this as sharp. First of all I will select it, this proportional editing, and then sharp, and select this edge loop and try to move it something like this, something like this. Yeah. And now I will duplicate it, and now I want different variations of it. So I will go to UV editing and select the edges, everything, go to material preview, and I will move the edges in here to here. So as you can see, through this we will get different types of grasses. We can now make multiple variations of it, whatever you like. This is okay, and I'll duplicate it again and I will move it over here. So now just rotate it, put it all together scale it so that everything looks like a small clump of grass. So it takes time, but it's totally worth it. You have to spend some time, make different variations, move it, rotate it, scale it, and it should look something like this. You can make more variations to it, but this is what mine looks like. And it's pretty decent if you spend like 5 minutes or 2 minutes in it. So after that, I will add a plane and scale it and go to particle settings, add a new particle, go to here, click on advanced, and I will enable the rotation, and in render as I will select as object and select the object as the grass clump which we made, this one. So as you can see, we have a grass field kind of, and we can increase the seeds and values. I will put it to say 20,000. So as you can see, this is our grass field. We can add multiple loads of variations in it. I highly recommend you, and we will just do the settings and everything for sun, and this is my final view. So I highly recommend you to go and make different variations of it, rotate it, scale it, and this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like this channel and let me know in the comments what you think about it.